Water, the most powerful force and most important nutrient. The human body is at least 60% water, and water makes up about 71% of the Earth's surface. Water is the primary component of all bodily fluids: blood, lymph, digestive juices, urine, tears, and sweat. Water is also involved in almost every bodily function, from circulation to elimination of waste, and carries electrolytes that help convey electrical currents in the body. The major mineral salts are calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. In the medical literature, dehydration is linked to a whole list of chronic health problems. We need about 12 cups of water each day to stay hydrated, which can include water from our food. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency currently monitors about 80 toxic substances found in our drinking waters. City water is heavily chlorinated to kill germs. However, chlorine reacts with other chemicals that produce chlorinated hydrocarbons, which can be carcinogenic. The area of particular concern is toxic fertilizers. Chemicals released into our waters by industry, the agricultural chemical pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers that run into local waters. These chemicals are more toxic and carcinogenic at low levels than many other contaminants. The California Public Interest Research Group tested 29 fertilizers from 12 states and found all 29 contain potentially toxic metals, including aluminum, cadmium, lead, mercury, and uranium. Clean drinking water is so important to our health, and we should know what we are drinking. So, what is the best water to drink? We should find a filtration or purification system that makes the water safe for us to drink. Technology is advancing, and it seems solid carbon block and reverse osmosis offer several advantages of removing chemicals. I personally love spring water with all the minerals, but just as groundwater can be polluted, so can spring water. A good idea is to have it checked and tested or get the full lab report. The environmental damage and toxicity being done to the external environment ends up being so profoundly connected to our own environment and health that we must look more closely at what we are consuming and taking part in. If we take care of Mother Nature, she will take care of us.